Hi guys, so today gusto ko i-share sa inyo itong JC Probiotic. Super okay to dahil if you are, if you want to take care of your gut, it's very good for your gut. At alam niyo naman, ang gut is your second brain. So, di ba, yung utak natin, very important. Ang pangalawang utak natin is yung gut natin. And it helps also for your digestion. So, yung mga tao dyan na, madaming tao na hirap, may problem sa digestion, probiotic could really help. Good for your immune system, good for your gut. So, sa mga tao dyan who wants to try this probiotic, just PM me. I'll make you try this one. And I hope, maging katulad ka ng mga taong sobrang na-enjoy yung product na to.